Hey guys, this is Hendrik from Czech DC-9 project, having some updates about what we are doing at the moment. We've been working on these two panels, on the captain and first officer's panels, and also on the rest what was not done here on the top section. So the panels or the things that are here are connected to flight sim and are working, so this all can be tested, but they are also working in flight sim, so the markers are connected and they show the marker position once it reaches. The overspeed is working also. This is the flight director on winch here, we believe. I have to find in the maintenance document what this light were used for. And the annunciator is working. For instance, I don't know if that will work now. Not, I don't know why. Yeah, now you see both the autopilots are red. If I press this switch, the light goes off. So, and again I will turn on the autopilot, and when I turn it off, both of the autopilot lights will become red. So that's only example. Also, these gauges for brake pressure are working. This will be visible later once we have the pressure. You see this, the SAT temperature, that means the outside temperature. It is now the same as the air AT, that's the total air temperature. So 12 degrees plus, but same in sim. And also all the things here, they are all working. I don't know why these are red. There's some problem with the lever, with the pod that is sensing, so it should be green of course now. And also the hydraulic pressure and the hydraulic quantity gauges are connected. I know if you see the auxiliary power, the auxiliary, and you see also the brake pressure is raising as we have some pressure in the system. Oh, now it's green. That was before, because we didn't have we didn't have the pressure, so that's why it was not on. And we can, I believe, now turn on the alternate. They should be the same, and now also the right system pressure is going up in the brakes. But I will turn this off, and if I go onto the brakes and if I brake and brake, so you see the pressure drops once I release the brakes. When I let them in, it will stop. So this is working. And okay, so now let's I will put the hydraulic pumps to be driven from the engines, and see, we have left hydraulic pressure low, master warning, sorry, master caution. I've all set up for engine start, and that's the right rudder control manual. Why? I don't want that. Okay. When I start the engine, I will start the left engine first. You will see the increase of the left system pressure, and once it's reached some pressure, also the brake pressure will start to raise. So now starting the left engine, you see the left system pressure is raising. Also the engine is spooling. Got N1, N2 indication. I can put the thrust in, the fuel in. We got GT race, fuel flow. and the pressure is still raising, and you see the brake pressure is also raising. I believe these are interchanged. This should be the left one, so I need to change these two. And now what happens if the engine is if the engine generator goes to the bus? You see the lights change for a little while. But can now one more thing. See, this is now when the right bus is off, because the AC bus is cross tie is open, so the power is not going from the left engine or from the APU to the right bus, as you can see here. So few of the systems go off, and as well the comparator shows that only the main side, the captain side, is okay for fly. Also for the go around maneuver, and the instruments are showing the correct values. If I turn the AC bus to cross tie to open, or turn on any power on the right side, then it goes back to life. You see the lights disappeared. I can also show you that one more time. See, these lights are shining, but I can reset that lights with the instrument warning reset. So let's retol to normal again, and let's start the right engine, because we still don't have pressure on the right hydraulic system. So let's start in the right engine. Got N1, N2 raising, and you see the hydraulic pressure is raising too. If I turn off the pump, it will not raise anymore, because the pump is simply off. Urine. And EGT is raising, fuel flow. Okay, we got 40 M2. I can release the start switch now. This should be off. And again, you see the right bus connects into the generator, so the lights on the instrument warning annunciator just do what they should. We can now turn off the APU. And yep, if I now turn on the right pump, the hydraulics on the right system is going to be pressurized as well. Well, now we got good pressure of about 3000 psi, and yep, these are definitely interchanged, because the calibration is not good. Again, if I go to press and release the brakes, you see they are going to do what they should. And also you see the movement of the hydraulic pressure in the main reservoir as I am stepping on the brakes and off. So that's all working well. Now if I turn off the engines, and again, even with maybe with flaps, we will do the pressure drop. Now the flaps are up and slots extended, but the pressure is dropping a little bit. Okay, it should be now off to go to the bed. So that's what we are working on this. Oh yeah, and this switch yet, instrument warning test. If I press that button, you see all the lights on the annunciator goes on. So that's the test for this. Again, this can be reset by pressing this button here. So that's it, guys. Hope you like my video, and see you next time. Bye bye.